Hello, good morning, friends. Now I will take you to the uh, one of the villas which we were trying to complete since 4 to 6 years back. It was stopped, so now again we started to renovate it. Okay, this is the dream villa called Manthan. Okay, so you can see the construction and the way to go to the gazebo. Okay, this is the entrance. The construction little is incomplete, but some of the things have been done very this. So now I'll take you to one of the bedrooms, and here the see the tilings and all, which is the and specifically it has two doors because the room is too big. That's why. Yeah, you see the room, it's too big, and see the tilings and all, everything in orange, mixture of brown and some of the things how it looks just to test things. Okay, so this is the outside view from here, how it looks. These are the outside tile, these are outside things, color from the outside of the house. This is the outside wall, see the outside wall. Okay, and this is the inside portion. Now this is the bathroom, very spacious bathroom it is. Okay, see the coloring, it's incomplete, some things need to be done. Okay, so it's really incomplete. We'll close it. Okay, so this is one bedroom. So we have a choice, we can go through this door, or if you want you can go through this door. Okay, this comes the big sitting hall. Okay, it's designed in a multiplex style. These tiles are called Capri Decor tiles, and this is the UK version of the tiles. Okay, and it has a sitting capacity of around 16 people can, and it's so far that there is a screen at that wall is a screen. I'll close the door. And a projector is mounted. This is the outlet of the projector, and the wires, cable. There are speakers inside the wall for better this. The sticks which are see the this is all imported. It's come from South Africa. This is called Capri Decor. It's one piece. So this thing had to be done like it was way back done in 2011 and all that time. So I'll first close the door. So here recliner seaters will come. See the big windows. These windows are like 2 meter ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can go open like when there's any function. This will go inside like this, and see the view outside. Everything opens up like this. It opens up and it gives a perfect view from inside. I'll just close this door. Okay, see the big windows. If you open this, everything, and you can feel the light greenery coming. You can see the spot from here. Everything what is going around. All the thing is done. Now it is little dirty because it's not been done. It's nearly completing. These are the Boss cable wires you need for the home theaters, because this is typically designed in a theater style. These are the vents of the projection, and some of the 3D projectors will be projected here, so movie can be seen. A screen will come. Okay, these are the this. See the full is the largest hall. Okay, then it has a attached one sitting room or anything, or either you can these are our charity stuff which we keep currently here, because still it is under construction. See the lofters. A bar can be designed because connecting to the for the entertainment. Here it can be have a rack or something bar, or can be made as a guest room. So this also view you can see from outside. That's the gazebo. Okay, then comes here one more. So see the tiling. It's done in orange, everything. Okay. So we'll just close the door. See the, then here comes for the, this, you need to have a separate bathroom, so the bathroom also is incomplete. All the things are here, the WCs and all, but see the spacious bathroom. It's also kept, everything here. See the flooring of the bathroom, anti-skid has been used. Anti-skid has been used on the wall itself, so it doesn't slip. See the tiling. Okay, see the outside tiling. So anything splashes, this is washable, and this is all is imported things. They have been, so it took us since 2011 to literally 2013. These things were assembled and then it was done. So now again this has two entrances. One is from this side. Okay, I'll show it later. We can go on the gazebo and have a barbecue party. And again, if you see, this has an entrance type door. All these doors, there are 16 doors for this house. Okay, this is called Manthan. Okay, so literally everything is from, this is a Malaysian tea code. Okay, all the locks are imported from UK, London. See the doors, all will have the lock nozzle, are the similar styled ones, the London ones, with all their individual keys. See, literally you will see door. There are 16 doors, okay, 36 windows and 17 ventilators. More than 17, but I'm just speaking about some of, because you see such a big house it is, you need ventilators as per the norms. So this is the exit, one of the, for the barbecue party section. I had opened the door. So this is the, and one more exit for if my friends and all are coming. So see the entrance here, Lord Ganesh. It's a large tiled Ganesha. See the Ganesha from here. It's specially made in Orissa by the, it's printed, hand drawn, and then it's a 3D one. It's a 3D actually. If you see, if you want to see the size of it, see my hand and how big the hand is. Okay, see now. So you'll have a perfect view of Lord Ganesha here. It's a 3D one, you can feel it because it's a drawing. It's done, see, it moves also, see. Okay, see. It has a 3D effect. Okay. And this and it's designed like a temple here. So this was everything done by the Rajasthani, this. And all the steps are magnificent galaxy granite. Okay, see all the moldings, everything has a molding here. There's one more here. It's not yet open styled bathroom will be coming here. Okay. So this is a way to exit here. If someone, if they don't from here. So there's one more big door outside which is going here. And everything has been molded. There are no paint used. Everything is a designer. This is imported from UK. See the patterns. Ferns. These ferns you can find in UK. Okay, now we'll go on the party zone. It's very dirty outside, but it's been done. Everything. See the fencing. It has a railings, which gives a Portuguese look. These are for the glass top counters. Very good quality. Granite has been used. See the outside of it. This is from the outside how it looks. So one more door here, and this was the door which I was talking about. This also goes next to that toilet. Okay, it was closed from outside, so I could not open it from there. See the view from here. Okay, some house needs to be completed. This is just the outside. So you can see the molds, and also it's an antifungal paint. Okay, you need to design for the it is a norm, that's why it had to be done. Then this type of tiles will come on it, so it will antically look like this. See the fill. You can have a fill. They are not flat ones, mold finished, and the granite is gone with it. Everywhere is a granite one. So this is a barbecue thing and all. It's a big, large balcony type. You can sit out and all. Everything, fan connections are there for it. So now I'll take you in the inside view. Lord Ganesha again. Okay, now coming up to you've seen this hall. Okay, once again I will show you this is the London Bridge. This Eiffel Tower, the buses. This is a this is the Thames River in UK. This is the Big Ben. Okay, this is all the scene from the Big Ben. This is fully imported from UK, London, and it has a mold 3D one. You can see this. See, it's not a flat tile. Everything it's in the 3D one. You'll see this also. It's one pieces are fitted, small here. So, and this is the grouting there, and you can feel it from here. That's why all these patterns also you can feel. See the depth of it. Okay, so I'll close. Now this is the bedroom which I had shown you earlier. It has an attached one. This is the wall. How it is done. Okay, so I'll take you to the second door now. We'll go through this door. So the molding of the doors, how it is done. This is basically to save it when they during the transportation, so scratches not comes. It needs to be finished. Okay, see everywhere you'll see this. So now we'll go in the living room or the kitchen style. All the stuff which will go with buckets and all. Fans have come. These grillers which will be used for the barbecuing, they are there here. Then WCs, fan. These are all the piping system things which will be there. These are the buckets. Okay, and see the tiles. This also has been imported. So some work has been incomplete since like 6-7 years. So now slowly we have started to do it again. See this one fitting, and it gives a classic look to this. Just open up the window, because I had got a lot of comments saying that we wanted to see how Manthan is. Okay, so now you can feel the view. See of the tiles, very like designer tiles, very with a granite, full-bodied enclosures for it. Yeah, there's a double mold used everywhere with a big sized this, and it's full see going on. This was really done by the Rajasthani. They were here for 1.5 years to do. This is called 3D. During that time 3D had come. This is a 3D molding which was used in UK. See, you can see the out. It's not out, it's flat one, but you can see it like it will hurt you like this while going. It doesn't hurt. So this was imported. This piece was imported from Italy. It's a mosaic one piece. See, it's been fixed here. So it took a lot of time to fix it. Okay, see so this wall it will be like this, but here only the small piece. Because it took us at least 3 months to finish this wall. Taking for our YouTube channel, this was the best thing as a background, and also it was designed like that. So one more bathroom is here. It is basically the guest bathroom. Okay, it is full bodied. This WC has been done, but not some things are completed. Full fledged one with showers, and it has a high ceiling and all. And everywhere is anti-skid, and it's come out. It's not flat tiles have been used. Okay, now we'll take you to one more master. There are all our master bedrooms. Okay, this again yellow and orange with a different color been used like a wood. This actually looks like a wood, but it's not a wood. It is a ceramic, not even a tile. This also is come from UK. So different we have used it. This is a place for the wardrobes will come here. Okay, these are all the charity things we keep here. Separately they are also in that room. So there is one more window, and see the combination and the 3Dness used in it, in these tiles. You will not see it in India. The doors have been printed specifically as per the bathrooms. Again, everything you will see the things of the plumbing to things are here. So it can be completed, but they are not done still. See the anti-skid for this bathroom, and all bathrooms are very spacious. Okay, again the coloring of the tiles. So we had to fix one strip, if you have noticed, to this, and Endura solution has been used. Okay, so to give a UK style to this, we had used this tiles here again, because see, you will see the combination like UK, because everything was imported from UK. Okay, again you will say the I tile. This is the master bedroom. Okay, there's a small window. From here you can see the entrance at the back, so you can, if anyone rings the bell, you can see from here everywhere. So that's it. So this is one of the this it was called, this also is imported. It looks as a wood finish, and it gives a classic master experience. The bedrooms are so big. See, and from outside the windows are really big, and these are the neighbors' houses and all, and the greenery outside it shows. Okay, here also everything green. There is no construction, nothing going on. See the greenery outside from here. Okay, there it needs to be completed. See the greenery, so peaceful it is location, and the tiles, wood. Oh, this was called a wooden decor. This is normally used in the master bedrooms in UK. Okay, a large screen comes here. Okay, large size bed comes here, because the bedroom is very big. The tiles we have used are 1.5 meter by 1 meter, so big tiles they are, all the big tiles, and 2 meters tiles are being used in the hall, which I'll show you. I just forgot about. See the master bedroom toilet. It's so large. This is a master bedroom toilet. A TV screen will come here. Fan ports are there, because it's so large. You can actually, by sitting on a WC, if you want to watch news, anything, it will come here. Plus this all are made of granites here, you will see. So in one corner you need to keep things, and if you're having a bath, there are like this tabletops here, so all the dust is there, but everything is made up of granite. This granite, nothing metal or no. See, all this food also is made up of granite. Okay, so here is the tour of the how it looks while you are walking. I'm taking you for different variable colors come, and I was talking about this one tiles, which are 2 meter big tiles, 2 meter by 2 meter. So you can feel the joint. The joint starts here, then it goes on continuously. See, okay, and here it ends. So 2 meter by 2 meter, this flooring for the hall and all gives a classic look of a theatrical look. All the molds, full houses of molds like this, granite mold. It looks simple, this mold, but it took us like 3 months to fix the mold. Everywhere you will see a molding on the walls, if you have seen. Now we'll go to the gazebo section on top. It can be, we can have a small party of 100 people also on top. Everything is of granite. See, it's been done. Okay. So see the view. Here's the here a big large laundry room will come. Okay, where washing machines and all will be kept. So this is the outside area of it. So utility things like geysers and all will be seen from here. Okay, this is the outside view. This is the original outside, how it looks. All the greenery from here. These pipes are the emergency water systems and all. Okay, this is the restaurant style, big. On top it is. This was because it was, since it was open, the red oxide was put, so Here different coloring can be done or tiling. This is not yet complete, but the next step level. So largest area. This is totally around 210 open style hall type. Okay, it's basically for private functions for us in our house, or if you want to just sit out here and see the greenery. Everywhere greenery is there. This is the specially molded Tata's sheets were used. They start from here, so to prevent leakage. Okay, and they go on continuously to outside. So it was brought from big lorries. See, it ends up to here. There is no joints, nothing in this. It's a one piece. One piece has been used. Okay, it's done by Ligor. He's a very professional craftsman because he's not left any poles here. Yet the structure is really sturdy. It's designed in such a way it doesn't look like a shed or a garage, and it has a slant like a stadium. If you have noticed, see, it has a tilt. Everything is tilted. The sheets, metal sheets are tilted, and the construction is so slick design because actually the space is so big. There would have come a big beams here in the center, or you need to use like a industrial this triangles they use, but he didn't use it, and he made the structure so sturdy, and it looks like a full open space from here. And he had used good quality of plastic aqua shell water dispensers like channels. They are with a Portuguese molding, how it gives you, so it doesn't look like a shed from outside. Okay, see the outside. This is also important. This is a water, it's called matte finish. Okay, and this is a view from again from here. Hope you like it. Thank you.